children, how are you? Today I am going to discuss about our 7th lesson, the ugly ducklings grammar part. So dear children, evaluation time. Multiple choice questions. Choose and tick the right option. First question. How many eggs cracked open? So dear children, there were 10 eggs inside the nest. Crack. One by one, 9 eggs cracked open and came out pretty fluffy yellow ducklings. So, dear children, how many eggs opened? 9 eggs cracked open. What did the ugly duckling finally become? An ugly swan, a beautiful swan, a rabbit, a crow. Okay, dear children, we learned already that the ugly duckling finally became a beautiful swan. So the right answer is beautiful swan. So put tick mark here. Next, what was the end of this story? Is it happy ending? Sad ending, exciting ending, all of those. The ending of the story is only happy. So put tick mark here. Okay. Next B. Tick for the true and cross for the false statements. Dear children, here three statements are there. Some of the statements are true and some of them are false. So look at the first statement. The children saw the new swan beside the lake. Is it true or false? Okay. It is false statement. Okay. No one liked the ugly duckling. Okay. Yes, no one liked the ugly duckling because it is not beautiful. So it is also true statement. It is false and it is true. The other animals at the farmyard teased the ugly duckling. Okay, in the farmyard, remaining animals are teased the duckling. Yes, it is a true statement. So, first one is false, second one is true, and third one is also true. So, here cross mark, tick mark, tick mark. Okay, now see, match the columns. Okay, match the following. So, here column A, column B. Okay, in column A, three words are there. In column B, three statements are there. Okay, first one is autumn. Second one is ugly duckling. And third one is spring. Okay, in column B, first one is green leaves. Next, shutting leaves. Beautiful swan. So here, autumn means shedding leaves. Okay, so put B here. Okay, and ugly duckling means here beautiful swan. Okay, ugly duckling became beautiful swan after some days. Okay, so put here C. Spring, green leaves. Okay, put A. Okay, B, C, A. Okay, next D. Here D. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Beautiful, ugly, beautiful, ugly. Okay. The duckling was dash when it was young. Okay. When it is young. How is it? Is it beautiful or ugly? Yes, it is ugly. Okay. The duckling was ugly when it was young. The duckling became dash white swan in the end. Dash people can also become dash. Okay. The duckling became beautiful white swan in the end. Okay. Ugly people can also become beautiful. Okay. Here beautiful, here ugly, and here beautiful. Okay. The duckling was ugly. Here ugly. Okay. Here beautiful. Ugly. Beautiful. Okay. So dear children, here grammar part, read the following. Here some of the animal names are given and here some of the young ones are given. Okay. So the baby of a duck is called duckling. The baby of a swan is called cygnet. The baby of a lion is called cub. The baby of a cow is called calf. The baby of a pig is called piglet. The baby of a horse is called foal. Okay, dear children, some of the animals duck, swan, lion, cow, pig, horse. These are the animals. The animals' babies are there here. Okay. Here, baby of a duck is called duckling. The baby of a swan is called cygnet. The baby of a lion is called cub. The baby of a cow is called calf. The baby of a pig is called piglet. The baby of a horse is called foal. Dear children, here look at this. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences with the right preposition. Here some of the diagrams are there. Okay, first diagram is look here. Okay, here is a ball. Okay, this is house. Okay, the ball is inside the house and boy is outside the house. Okay, the ball is dash the house. Is it inside or outside? Okay, it is inside the house. So, right here inside. This is first answer. The boy is dash the house. Outside the house or inside the house? The boy is outside the house. So, outside is the answer here. Okay, next second one. The boy is walking home dash the field. Here is a boy, this is a field, this is a house. The boy is walking from the field towards the house. Okay. So the boy is walking home dash the field from the field. So this is from answer here, right here. The boy is walking dash the hut. So towards the hut. Okay. Here hut means this is the small house. Okay. So here from here two words. Okay. So dear children, here there are three birds are there in the diagram. One is flying above the two. These two birds are flying below the first one. Okay. Here look here. The birds are flying. Dash the pond. Where is the pond here? This is the pond. So you have to write above the pond. Two birds are dash the third bird below. Okay, two birds are below the third bird. So you have to write here below and here above. Okay.